Hey, Slawheads. I just want to go over the Winston Cup car with you. I went ahead and did some stuff kind of off camera. I got the wheels and tires and I put those on. I had to make some adjustments and things like that. So I did that and kind of wanted to see if I could get the actual chassis that came with the model car, see if I could get that on there. And so I've been playing around all day, but I haven't got a whole lot done because I've been doing all of that, but had to cut off the rear axles and bring them down a little bit closer as well. But we'll get into that and I'll show you all that. All right, so here it is. I did manage to get the adjustments there. Managed to get the front bumper on, the hood on. You kind of need some adjustments there. Rear bumper on. And then here's the stalker wheels with the 15x8 with tires. So here's the number for the wheels. Stock car corner was actually out of the tires, so I had to go to Carrera slots to get the tires. Yeah, they're 15x8 and they're the Pt.2 So that's as far as that. And then if this thing will actually come off, there we go. So here's the chassis. So I had to narrow the axles that stuck out, so it was a little too wide, so I narrowed that up. The front was fine. So anyway, I did that. I ended up having to, I reused, you can see here where I cut that much off, and in the bushings I heated these up and knocked the bushings out. Ended up getting a little solder inside the bushing, so I ended up having to clean that up. But there's that. Let me show you what I did to so there's the chassis that goes with the model kit. And so my idea is once I get all the interior put in and get all this ready, painted and whatnot, that I'll just glue the body to this, and then this literally goes down in here, which of course it's going to be a pain in the butt while I'm on camera. It's actually just easier to do it this way. So there's that. The reason why it's a pain in the butt is because the A-arms here, they're a little bit wider than the inside of the tire right here, so you kind of got to push down on it to get it to go in. But otherwise, then the body kind of just clips down on it. Kind of looks like a lowrider right now, but once everything gets mounted, then it won't be such a lowrider. So my idea is to probably solder a piece. Oh, it's blurry. Solder not on this side, but on the other side. Solder some tabs from here, and hopefully give it some body float, but we'll see. I just noticed that glue, like this isn't even glued, but the fumes from the glue right there touch that. That's why you don't use super glue on your windshields. But otherwise, there's the chassis. That's what I've done today. Took me a lot longer than probably what it should have, but I worked on this one and I worked on the land barge. So that's the next video I'm getting ready to do, is for the land barge. Otherwise, that's it. If you guys got any questions, just ask. Want to know how I did something, just let me know. Appreciate it. Later, slides.